Now that you know how to create and sell NFTs on OpenSea, I want to encourage you to grow your business. Realize that if you do not have assets for sale, that is NFTs available for people to buy, you can't really sell anything. So it's up to you to list products for sale. One thing that's interesting about OpenSea is that you only have to pay once to be able to actually list as many assets as you want. So let me give you an example of what I've been up to. If you look at the collections, not only do I have a collection called George Levy One Blockchain at a Time, I told you about the different NFTs that I created here. You may not know about this video NFT that I created called the Bitcoin HODL, but you will also notice that I also have a new collection called My Crypto Turtle. Now, My Crypto Turtle is what's known as a collectibles. If you look inside OpenSea, there's a series called Collectibles. Collectibles are actually a series of different NFTs that are all in the same specific genre. They have the same type of motif. So for example, you could have My Crypto Kitties. They're all Crypto Kitties. These could be Cyberpunks. These could be specifically catchphrase Dog Unleashed. All of these are different collectibles and they're part of a series. So what I did was I created a brand new collectible series of my own called My Crypto Turtle. Let me tell you what the vision of this is. My Crypto Turtle is all about helping save the turtles. Saving the sea turtles is a huge cost to me and my family. I'm a big donor to this cause. I live in front of the beach in Miami, and there are sea turtle nests everywhere. I'm very close to the people that actually take care of these sea turtle nests, and I know that there are 7 species of sea turtles, and they're all in the endangered list. So my goal through My Crypto Turtle is to create a collectible series of 7 different sea turtle crypto collectibles that people will be able to collect, and I will take the proceeds of these collectibles and actually donate them to be able to adopt sea turtle nests. So what I give people is the opportunity to be able to buy this NFT of this collection, and I will take the funds of what they say and I will be able to then adopt a sea turtle nest. I will send a photo and I'll tell you exactly how I do this. But key question that I want to tell you is that there are 7 of these. And if you look, I have leatherback turtle, I have green turtle, I have loggerhead turtle, I have hawksbill turtle. And right now I'm going to go beyond the hawksbill turtle. I'm going to get a new asset. And let me tell you exactly what the vision is here. The first thing I want to tell you is that I have already created all of these. And I'm just going to take the process right now to set up the Kemp's Ridley. But before I do that, I want to tell you what the secret is of what I'm doing here. Because what I explained to you is that when you create these NFTs, and you create this new item, I showed you that the supply is always 1. Doesn't matter how much you try, you can't change that number. There is a way that you can actually go around that, and if you actually take and you include the following text on the URL on the top, $enable _ supply equals true, and you hit enter, what you will find is that the page will refresh, and now you have the option to change the supply. So I am now, instead of creating just 1, I am going to create a series of 1,000 of the Kemp's Ridley. So the first thing I will do is I will take the graphic for Kemp's Ridley. I will include it in here. I will then put Kemp's Ridley Turtle. And then I have actually created a domain name, which I got, which is https://mycryptoturtle.com, and if you go to that URL, you will be able to go redirected directly to this collection of NFTs that I have available. And I have prepared the description already in advance in order not to waste your time. So actually I will include the detailed description of what Kemp's Ridley turtles are all about. And I will include some properties. Notice that this is different from what we actually had in the previous ones that we've done. Right now I'm adding properties. Why? Because these are collectibles, and each one of these collectible cards or NFTs is actually different from the other one. So let's see specifically. In this specific point, the species for this one is actually Kemp's Ridley. And then I will be able to add the scientific name for this, which I've also got available. The scientific name is here. And then I've got the global status of where they are in the endangered spectrum. Critically, it's very sad, critically endangered. Now what you're going to notice also is that after I am able to add these properties, I will be taking advantage of the unlockable content. This is a very valuable piece that I want you to take advantage as well, because what this enables you to do is it actually gives you the opportunity to communicate with the person who's actually making the purchase of the NFT. And as I told you, you can include inside whichever thing you want. So for instance, in the other piece that I showed you earlier, the NFT called the Bitcoin HODL, I leveraged the unlockable content with a very special Bitcoin offer available only to the person that actually buys that NFT. So for the buyer of this NFT, I list here in the instructions. So what I'm basically telling them is that with the proceeds from the purchase, we will adopt a sea turtle nest on behalf of the person that actually bought the NFT, and I will send a digital photo of the sea turtle nest that they've adopted. Furthermore, if they collect all 7, I will actually send a very special gift, and I will list a picture of all the 7 nests that they've actually adopted. So it's a very, very special option for people to be able to buy this NFT and in the process help save the turtles, because to me it's a very, very special and dear cause. So what I can do now is I can create this, and as I told you, I'm creating 1,000 of this specific NFT, the Kemp's Ridley collectible from My Crypto Turtle. So I will then proceed to sell these. The system does not have to review it. It's just going to take me directly and say there's 1,000 owned by me right now. So what I can do is I can list it for sale. I will set the price for these. I will only sell 1 at a time, and the price that I'm going to put is 0.035 Ether is the price that I'm going to sell these. So right now what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be listing this Kemp's Ridley collectible from the My Crypto Turtle collectible series, and I will post it for sale. And just like that, OpenSea will ask me to sign it with my MetaMask. I don't have to pay anything. And here's my brand new NFT available for sale for my collectible series called My Crypto Turtle. You can do the same. So I highly encourage you, once you actually understand how to create and sell NFTs, take advantage of the fact that you can create as many NFTs as you want on OpenSea and realize that each one of those NFTs is a brand new product available for sale so that people can actually buy from you.